A charcoal shattered relic, it became cracked like a story waiting to be retold. This glacial, stubborn cream that refuses to leave the bottle. Modeling paste. It's been sitting there for months, maybe a year, fermenting in silence, like a secret I forgot I once said. Utilizing both my hands and the palette knife feels like sculpting on a canvas, perhaps sculpting a new pulse into an old memory. Almost feels like something intimate in the way my fingers glide across the canvas, a slow ceramic kneading, like a quiet massage, a reconnection. The room is cold. I'm in a hoodie 2 sizes too big because fall arrived overnight, unannounced and moody. Outside, the rain drums its silver soft percussion, and the sounds pull me back to Costa Rica, where the rainforest sounded like it was breathing with me, where every drop felt medicinal. A reminder that water can mend almost anything. And I think about how rain enriches soil, how it seeps and softens and nourishes from the inside out. A blessing we never really earn, yet always receive. Maybe that's why I paint hungry. Hungry for color, hungry for texture, for the richness that comes from the earth and ends up on my plate. I really do love to eat. Art feels like that, a craving. Now I'm feeling the crackles on my hand, thinking that I have to move quick before this dries. Feeling very childlike in this moment. And hours pass, disguised as minutes. And still it rains. And I realize the rain is doing exactly what I'm doing. Layering, healing, softening, reminding everything it touches that transformation takes patience. Sometimes the world cracks, and sometimes you smooth it back together. And sometimes you let the rain finish the story. As the molding paste finally settles into a moonlit, smooth terrain, I mix my next layer. First with the color black, the color of depth, wisdom, protection. Then raindrops of dark purple. It's a velvet void that absorbs every secret. The color of royalty, intuition, imagination that whispers instead of shouts. Together, they become this nocturnal haze, a color that feels like it knows more than it's saying. The mixture of both the black and the dark velvet purple over the surface, letting the brush pull light into shadow, shadow into mood, mood into something almost edible. While the outside is falling in soft silver lace threads, while canvases dry on stacked boxes, a little imperfect, a little makeshift, but honest, just like art.